In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your SoFi crypto account and withdraw your assets to an external wallet. To get started, open your web browser and go to sofi.com. Make sure you're visiting the official website and that the connection is secure before entering your login details. This is especially important anytime you're accessing financial accounts or moving digital assets. Once you're on the site, sign into your account using your regular credentials and complete any security verification steps that appear, such as two-factor authentication. Taking a moment to confirm you're logging in safely can help protect your account and your funds. After you've signed in, look for the Invest Workspace tab. This is the section where SoFi organizes investment-related accounts and features, including any crypto holdings associated with your profile. Click into the Invest area and allow the page to fully load so you can clearly see the available options. If you have multiple investment products, take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct section tied to your crypto assets. From there, find the prompt that directs you to the external partner platform used for your SoFi crypto holdings. Depending on the setup, this may reference a partner service such as blockchain.com. Select that prompt to continue. This step is important because your crypto assets may now be managed or accessed through that partner platform rather than directly inside the main SoFi interface. Once you click through, follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the partner platform dashboard or transfer screen to open completely. When you're ready to move your assets, choose the withdraw or send option. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's public wallet address. Carefully paste or type the exact wallet address string into the destination field. Accuracy matters here because crypto transfers generally cannot be reversed if the address is incorrect. It's a good idea to double check the full address, including the beginning and ending characters, before continuing. After verifying the wallet address, review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. Pay close attention to any confirmation screen, network information, or transfer summary shown before final approval. Once everything